Good morning. A lot has happened. I did get this roof sheeted basically. We had brutally cold weather. And then a crazy Chinook hit. And we finally got into above zero temperatures through the day, like way above. Double digits, I guess, and just melted everything, changed everything, but oh, did it blow. In the mix of all that, I managed to get this sheeted. Sorry I missed all that, it was messy and ugly. What I did is I put these 4 sheets on, built a plywood rack there. I put 5 sheets here. I had a plywood rack right there. And I put 5 sheets on here. And I had a plywood rack there. And we flew I restacked all the 7/16 and I threw them onto the plywood racks with a crane. So today, while it's calm, I don't know if it's going to blow today, we're going to get this gable done and fill in those little pieces. So I need a piece. 8 feet works. Two, 4, 6. Okay. Okay, so 8 times 6 is 48. Oh, okay, yeah, right. So that is as simple as this. It's a 612 roof. So I multiply 8 feet times 6, I get 48. Two, 4, 6, 8. I could not have imagined doing this yesterday. Oh, did it blow. I think we had wind gusts up to 110 km. Just insane. Okay. 35. Okay, 35 on the bottom. 6 goes up 612 from there, so 2 feet 11. We'll go 4 foot 11. In 2 feet at a 612 we come up 12 inches. snap that line. Two by two backing, 13 feet, and 120, 123. 123 and 13 feet. Okay, so now the 2x2 backing. This, putting the 2x2 backing, will be the hardest thing I do up here right now with this gable, just because of such small spaces. Oh, really? More paper than that. Oh, man. Okay. Fascia's a little long here, so I need to cut it. Okay, now to cut these pieces, I need two numbers. I need to the corner, 23, 23 and a quarter, and 11 and a half. Okay, 23 and a quarter. I'm gonna bring that all the way up to here, 23 and a quarter. Now, I'm gonna go back this way, 11 and a half. 11 and 3/4, bring that about down to here. Okay, now I'm going to come up 13 and 3/8. I'm going to travel a foot this way, Mark the foot. This will give me the hip line off this corner. Okay, did I come up 13 3/8 here? Yes, okay. I may have forgot the saw up here. Okay, same thing on this side. Get to the corner here. We're gonna go 23.5, 12. 23.5. Mark that up here. We're gonna go this way 12. We're gonna go 11.7. 11.5, bring that to about here. 13 3/8. 13 3/8. Coming over a foot. The key to this is at 13 3/8 up. Now I got two very confusing marks I got to pay attention to here, so no talking. This is the leading edge of the fascia board right here. I'm almost forgetting which one. Okay, got it. And this is the plywood joint. Okay, well, now the roof is officially done. What a beautiful day. I cannot believe how different this day is than yesterday. Yesterday morning I had a sheet, about 5 sheets over there, and the ridge, like small pieces. I got that done first thing in the morning before the wind really picked up. And at about coffee time, I guess, 10 or 10:30, oh my, did it hit. It was insane.